amazing.
Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today is the day before the big day, our parade. And lovely Seven Sister collaboration, which is going to be tomorrow, the 4th of July. I'm really excited about this. I already have my premiere uploaded, so this is really a glorious day for me and all 6 of our other ladies. We're really excited about this, and I hope you are too. I have lots of paints here that I need to use. So I have a square canvas in front of me here, and I have some red, white, blue, gold. I have a little amethyst paint, and I thought I would make a nice little flip cup and see what we could make out of this. I thought it was a good idea. And I have a little contest going on. When you listen to my video tomorrow, there's one word especially that I used way too many times, and I noticed that it was a little too late for me in my video to do anything about it. So I thought I would make a little contest, and I thought I'd have a little fun with it. So that word is amazing. So I'm going to try not to use it at all in this video. But to any of you people in the lower 48 states out there, if you can count how many times I use the word amazing in tomorrow's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to offer you one of my paintings from my month in review for June. And I will put that, I'll put that in the description. Either it'll be at the end of this video, or you'll also find it down below. So, yeah, I'm thinking about that. It really bothered me because I could not believe how many times I said that word. Amazing. So, there's so many other words to use. Like you can use stupendous. You can use magnificent. You could use enchanting. You can use impressive. You can use radiant. You can use luscious, luminous. You can use delightful. My goodness, astounding. What words would you use instead of amazing? That's what I'm curious. I'd love to know what word you would be using instead of that word that I don't want to use right now, that I'm trying to get away from. That word, I'm going to spell it amazing. How about marvelous, unbelievable, enthralling, breathtaking? I don't know, maybe you can think of some words for me to use. Supreme, heavenly, awesome. Awesome is another one, although that's that gets overused quite a bit. Awesome. I think we use that a little bit too much sometimes. But you know what I mean. Magnetic, maybe. Magical. That's a nice word to use. So tell me, what words would you use instead of that word? Awesome. I'm going to put a little black down here. Just a little bit. I'm going to try and flip this right over on top of that. What do you think the chances are? 50-50, 60-40 of me getting close to that spot? Well, not that great, right? Yeah, so I'm so excited about tomorrow. It just seems like it's been taking forever for this day to come. And of course we wait for the last minute before we finally take the plunge and start our paintings. And I already have my premiere up, so you might want to set the timer for that. It's 9:30 Pacific time. That would be my time. So if you set the premiere up for your time, it'll let you know what time it's going to be wherever you live. Okay, I'm gonna open this up and let's. Ooh. Oh, wow. Ooh. It's pretty beautiful, if I do say so myself. Okay. Yeah. I'm liking that. Yeah, so if you set up the premiere, if you click on that premiere button, it'll notify you, but it'll also let you know what time, so you can be ready. It'll send you either an email or a little notification if you have your notifications on, and I don't think you want to miss this. It really is going to be great. And then every half hour, after I go, we have the amazing, oh, I said that word again. Oh, I'm sorry. We have the wondrous Mina Villegas. She's going to be on at 10 o'clock tomorrow. And then after Mina, I do believe is Cindee, and that would be Cynthia Porter Studios. And Cindee is the one who started this. This great Pourade, good friend of mine, great artist. And yeah, she's the one who put this whole thing together. So thank you, Cindee, for that. So, and after Cynthia Porter, who is next? Let me take a look here. I don't want to get anything wrong. After Cindee, how could I forget, is the most, let's see, what word could I use? The most admirable, Sarah Mack. So how am I going to move this around a little bit? Sarah Mack. Great. Oh gosh. You could learn from her. I mean, you learned a lot from Mina. Sarah. Yeah. These are ladies that you can really learn from. You can pick up little tips and techniques and all these things. If you really watch them closely, watch how they Watch how they tilt. And watch, yeah, just watch them. Watch, they're such nice people. Really, very admirable. And so after Sarah Mack, we have the most, what word am I going to use here? We have the fabulous Holly from the Morning Pour. Look at these cells on here. These are gorgeous. Look how gigantic those cells are. From the Morning Pour. And Holly, not only is Holly a great artist, but she makes the most creative trailers. She has done all of our trailers, and they really are stupendous. How's that for a word? How's that one? Yeah. Stupendous and refreshing. How's that? That's our Holly. Holly is superb and superior. Oh, I love these words. I'm looking over here. You cannot believe all the words you can use instead of that A word that I am not going to use. Okay. Now on to, after Holly, we have the most majestic, magnificent, ravishing, and brilliant Maida Pause. And then we have the exceptional and excellent, most refreshing from Kaz Creation, Kathleen Osmore. Is look down below in my description. And you will find each of these, what word am I going to use now? Prized women. You will find each and every one of their links down below. Now, if you're smart, you want a front row seat to this fabulous, and I was almost going to use that word again, but I am not. To this fabulous, what's a good word? Astounding and astonishing collaboration for the 4th of July. So if I were you, I would go to each of their links and I would be sure that I was subscribed, number one. And then I would be sure that I had each and every one of their premieres. Hopefully they have their premieres up by now, but I'm sure they will. That I have it set to reminder on. This way, you know you are not going to miss their reminders. And I think that's what I would do if I were you. So, in the meantime, I made right here this most amazing, I used it again, oh my goodness. Well, I'm going to say gorgeous, because I really love this. And I used all the colors. Oops. Missed my, look at those, man, look at those cells. Wow. So I used all the colors that I had mixed from my pour that I did. But the pour I did for the collaboration was nothing like this, believe me. Wait till you see. Wait till you see it. So this is outstanding and miraculous and remarkable. And I absolutely love it. So please let me know in the comments below what you think about this. I love it. I have so many gorgeous, you know, when you see the close-up of this, you're going to be awestruck. Yes, you are. Woohoo! I'm excited. And I hope you are too. Okay, everyone. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California. Very happy with what I have here. Just so you know, I never use silicone. I have only used silicone twice in every painting that I have done, and I think I have over 200 videos. I have used silicone in probably 2, maybe 3. There is no silicone here. There is nothing but paint, Liquitex gloss medium, American Floetrol, and water. That's it. Maybe there's some GAC 800, possibly in some of, maybe in a few of them. But that's it. That's all that we have here. But this came totally exceptional. There's another word. I'm going to put these words up all around the room so I know and I remember. But this is Donna from Hollywood signing off one more time. Dream, imagine, and love. I have that right over in the corner of my room here. I'm going to save that every once in a while. Have a great day and evening. Bye-bye now. Please wait for the close-up.